Hi, sharing our journey going to Cebu. So from Tara, from our place, going to Mabinay, it will take 20 minutes. Kaya nagsakinan mi, anong gibilin lang sakinan sa Mabinay. And then from Mabinay, going to Tampi, it will take 2 hours. So after that one, sa Tampi, sakay na mi og barge, this is it guys. So ang barge will take less than an hour. So after that one, sakay na put mi og Ceres, going to Ciudad, going to Cebu, and it will take 5 hours, especially kung na traffic, no, madugay-dugay jud ta. So the good thing is that sa mga bata, dili sila mag-travel, dili sila ingong magsuka or maglain ng kabuhi. And then dili po din sila maoy. During the travel, they will just singing, asking questions, inaana ra jud. And then, ang need jud namo is we need to have the food, the water, the snacks. So every time na sila pangayoon, maara jud mi ikahatag para dili sila maghasol. So mao na siya guys, as in layo jud ang travel, it will take us 12 hours, no? Or this travel, it take us mga, yeah, 12 hours straight. So after that one, maabot mi sa Saris Terminal sa Cebu. Saris Terminal sa Cebu, musakay na pud mi og taxi going to Lapu-Lapu. So layo-layo gud siya, no? But unsaon man our family is here, na ami family diri side sa akong husband og sako apod na side ako mga ate po diri, na akong parents po diri. So bahin-bahin na jud ang time no because family is forever. Family is very important in our lives. So we give time for them. So bisag unsa kalayo, kakapoy ang travel, but we choose to meet them. No? So that's it. Thank you so much Lord sa among safe na travel. Thank you so much Lord sa amo ang provision. And then that's everyone. Thank you.